Okay, free performance.
Okay.
Ano sayang? Yo yang ila la yang ila la ha wa ya la yom yang ila la yang ila la ha wa ya la pangli sayang ikut angin leh juga ikut yom yang ila.
Itu ada naik partnya.
Thank you.
Second one, Nico Floor. Hai anung sin hai klak sin maleuh nyohan lelon sim la sen la bakura sin hai bakusin bukan le sayang lon kadang limeng hirat leka neng tua lon jaga padang video mata mah kuning lakdon mungkin mapepeda sin hai bakusin maleuh nyohan lelon sim la sen la bakura sin bakusin.
Naik part. Coba naik part.
This one.
Bukan dari itu.
Baik ya.
Masjid Madinah timang pesaga.
Okay. Finish. If someone sing a song, can you
Yeah.
klarapai?
Yeah.
Okay, please, Mr. Herman, my dear.
Apa kau saman? Kami Nirwan. Apa saman Japan?
Saman.
God panjang iku buluku.
Kurang marah nggak ya?
Iya.
Oh, because you have
Ya, three.
Never.
Tired.
Yeah, you look
Yeah.
Nervous first and then.
everybody. If you pass the test, you should prepare your stamina. You
Yeah.
should run, jogging.
Yeah,
Because
in the morning.
looking on board.
where did you learn Siddharthi?
I ever follow like mass dance in Komnas.
Can you teach other for Siddharthi?
Actually, I'm not from Sanggar.
I know you're not from Sangha, but my question is,
Yeah, I can teach.
okay, please to volunteer, stand up. Anyone, okay, to volunteer. Okay. Please did the step of Siddharthi. For example, he is from Maluku and he is from Palembang.
Yeah.
More information. Siddharthi, I think the most difficult dance to teach, but I will teach Siddharthi as good as I can. Okay, the first thing that we should know is that one, two, three. Okay, pull together. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And second one is the hand. Okay, first see how you play finger. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now mix the step and the finger. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, repeat again. 1, 2, 3.
ครับ
Okay, thank you.
You perform kaya?
Hikayah I never perform and I never watch hikayah before. Hikayah performance.
How about modern dance?
Modern dance.
Like K-pop?
Wow.
Poco-poco.
Maybe some like break dance. I just follow like this
Okay.
Okay.
step, but
Wow.
I not at all capable.
Are you an active person in the traditional dances in Banda Aceh?
No.
What is your group?
I not from Sanggar. I just learn when there is some recruitment for traditional mass dance. So I follow the
Komandan upacara.
format. Okay.
Siapkan Mas.
Suruhnya. Siap. Gerak.
Kamu siap tak kasih badannya?
Yes. Yang pas.
Okay, okay.